is really turning out great, but what I really think is going to be amazing is the dancing, particularly because of Miss Lemon working with all of us for so long, even though she's working in another play along with this. She's put in a lot of work, and I really think people should appreciate that, and it's going to look amazing.
My character is Lena Lamont, and at first she comes off as this cocky person who doesn't think of anyone as anything, as garbage. And you see this person as a very arrogant lady throughout the whole show, and then you see the deeper side of her and how she's just very lonely, no one likes her, and she actually is a caring person deep down, but no one can get past her voice for anyone.
Our favorite dance in the play is All I Do, because it's a really peppy number and it's fun.
My name is Don Lockwood, and I'm a very prestigious movie actor who loves my fans.
Bring a little joy in your husband life.